Every banknote begins with cotton. Cotton is harvested from vast fields, cleaned, and prepared to become a special, durable paper, not ordinary paper. The cotton fibers are processed into pulp, mixed, pressed into sheets, and dried. During this stage, security features like watermarks can be built into the paper. Large printing machines apply multiple layers of special inks and detailed artwork. Different printing methods create sharp images and raised textures.
Modern banknotes include advanced security features such as holograms, color-shifting elements, and unique serial numbers to help authenticate genuine notes. Every sheet is carefully inspected by automated systems. Approved sheets are cut into individual banknotes, counted, bundled, and prepared for distribution. From a simple cotton fiber to a secure banknote, every step combines precision, technology, and strict quality control.